Good afternoon. Welcome back to another episode of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here. I'm just going to make a real short video for you guys just to let you know what's going on come this weekend, and at the same time just to kind of bring you back up to speed on the progression of the MT-09. So today I was really fortunate enough at work that I stayed behind just for a couple of hours, so it allowed me to get pretty much everything up for the most part anyways in regards to the colors. I will give a couple of pop-ups here or here. Anyways, you'll see as I'll do picture-in-picture here just to kind of give you the previews, some of the updates and whatnot like that. Other than that, as of this weekend, so we are in February 2019 right now. As of this weekend is the Family Long Day weekend, or Family Day long weekend here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. For all of you guys that are locals and who do follow my channel, I will be working at the Toronto International Motorcycle Show for 2019, which is the Friday the 15th, Saturday the 16th, and Sunday the 17th. So it is open for 3 days. If you are in the area, if you are at the motorcycle show, I encourage you guys to come on over by through the Yamaha booth. I will be there. I'll be working. Love to see you, shake your hands, say hi, you know, share some stories, grab a picture. I would like to get a picture of you guys so I can upload it to my Instagram channel and or you know, maybe make a video out of that. So anyways, just getting you up to date in regards to the bike. So as of today, right now, the 13th of February, all the colors are done, the wheels are installed. So I am going again with that blue and yellow, or the Hi-Vis yellow design. So what I managed to do today, like I said, I was super lucky from at the end of the day at work. I put the installed wheels on, I've got the tank graphics on, the side cover graphics. From my last videos you'd seen, I did the painting of the side covers, the fender, and the back tail pieces. We've got and that was from Street Extreme with collaboration of Touch Up Direct. I gotta give a shout outs to you guys. I really appreciate it. I super stoked about all that. It's super cool. And then we have the Bright Side Customs. It's the powder coating, so they did my handlebar and my rear grips. And then I've got Hooligan Stickers, so hooliganstickers.com. That was the third company that I was working with, and he is based out of Quebec, Canada. Check his website out as well. All the detailed information will be at the bottom of the videos here just for you guys. But yeah, so they supplied me with the decals, or the on the tank decals anyways. So those are the ones that I've been waiting for a little while to get everything together. Other than that, from the sides of the decals that you can see on the side panels and the wheel graphics, that is all done from Station 28 down at Pacific Mall, just here in Toronto. Again, thank you very much for all your support. Thank you very much for your feedback, your comments, your suggestions, your likes, your subscriptions. A big thank you for your subscription. Get all your buddies as well to subscribe to my channel. Again, that will grow the community a lot bigger, a lot better. From that, like I said, again, you're going to see the commercials at the beginning. Please just let those commercials run. Generates a revenue that this way anything that I get from that I will be putting aside, which will then I will be getting gifts and swag and giveaways and stuff like that, which I will be handing back out to you guys as a viewer through random draws as we progress and as things get better. So other than that, thank you very much. I will see you guys this weekend, hopefully. Again, make sure that you pop by, say hi. That would be super cool. Thank you very much. And yeah, take care, be good, be safe, have fun.
Yeah.